Metallographic sample preparation of 2024 aluminum alloy. 2024 aluminum alloy. The word hard in the grade says it all. It is a high-strength hard aluminum of ALCUMN system. Aircraft structural parts, high-load parts, and many others use it. What are its features? After quenching, it is better to cut and spot weld, but it is almost corrosion resistant. Therefore, anodization or aluminum coating protection is often required. So what is its internal organization? How does the grain change after extrusion? How is the second phase distributed? Today, I will take you through the whole process of metallographic sample preparation in 3 minutes. Mounting. The sample is relatively small, no need to cut. Direct inlay. The sample is put into the silicone mold. After the resin and curing agent are mixed and stirred evenly, pour them into the mold. Then put it in a cold mosaic press and press it to cure. Squeeze all the bubbles out. After the resin is fully cured, the sample is removed from the mold. You get a completely transparent cylindrical block. The internal samples can be seen clearly, and it is also convenient to grind and polish. Grinding and polishing. The purpose is to pass the grinding and polishing step. Step-by-step removal of damaged layer. The first step, P400 silicon carbide sandpaper to quickly flatten the surface of the sample. Eliminate tool lines and macro damage. 50 times the surface condition of P400 sandpaper after grinding. Step 2. Pass grinding plate with 9 micron polycrystalline diamond polishing liquid. Remove coarse abrasion marks and initially reduce the deformation layer. 50 times the surface condition of the POS disc after grinding. Step 3. SC polishing cloth with 3 micron polycrystalline diamond polishing solution. Further refine the surface to eliminate minor scratches. 50 times the surface condition after SC polishing. Step 4. ZN polishing cloth with 0.05 micron alumina polishing solution. Finally, fine scratches are removed to obtain a non-deformed mirror surface. 50 times the surface state after ZN polishing. Observation. 2024 aluminum alloy after extrusion. The internal grains will be elongated to form a fibrous structure along the extrusion direction. After corrosion, the theta phase QO2 and S phase Al2 CUMG are the second phase particles, will also be squeezed into a chain. Line up one by one along the extrusion direction. This fibrous tissue directly determines the strength, plasticity, and anisotropy of the material. Primary specification. Sample preparation. See the fibers and chain-like tissue inside 2024 hard aluminum. Hidden code of material properties.
Trojan. Discover the truth of material.